What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in. Just wanted to say something to you real quick, something that was brought to my attention. I don't follow people back unless they network with me. Now, if I follow you from initially, if you say something that was, if we was holding a conversation, I try to follow you to like one of your pictures or something, or show you that, I'm willing to support you, but your profile was set on private. So I do that, and show support, then I back off because your profile is private. My profile is not private. It's open to whoever want to network with me. But I only follow those back necessarily constant on my pages once they network with me. If they get some of my products that's on Amazon, and I got at least 10 to 12 different products, starting off anywhere from probably $10 to $40, at the most. So for those that get my t-shirts or my hoodies or zip hoodies or whatever the situation is, or some of my pop sockets for the phone or whatever the situation is, those who network with me, those who I want to follow back because they network with me. They went out and said, hey man, I support what you do, to the extreme where I went and got some of your products, or I went and bought something if it was just $10 or whatever. That's a big thing to me. So I want to follow those back. I want to check on them, but it's hard for me to check on you if your profile is private. Just because you follow me or say something, of what's going on, that's cool. And I try to say something back, but if you set your profile private, it's kind of hard for me to do that. You see what I'm saying? Because I don't want to follow, I only want to follow those who actually network with me, because that let me know that you believe in what I'm doing. If I spend money with people, I believe what they do. Because honestly, the relationships that I got that's valuable to me now, I made them because I was spending money with them. I network with them. They network with me. Now we good friends. We help one another eat. You see what I'm saying? So I don't mind giving the knowledge, giving you wisdom. You know what I mean? But as far as following you, I want to follow those who genuinely support my movement. You know what I mean? It's just like, for instance, I had close to 5,000 friends, or around that many on Facebook, and I've been deleting them all. Now I got close to 150 something, and I still got a couple more, because the way I look at it, I only want to be friends with those or follow those who truly support what I do. And if you don't truly support what I do, I'm not going to lie and say I'm interested in what you got going on, I'm following you, because I'm not. You know what I mean? If you don't show no interest in what I got going on, why should I show interest in what you got going on? You see what I'm saying? So I put my money where my mouth is. If you got something going on, you black. If you're not black and I like your product and I like what you're doing, I'll buy it. I support you because I know how it is, out here. You know what I mean? I'm an entrepreneur. I get it. But those who just want to follow for nothing. So if you haven't went on Amazon Prime, and that's where my products at, so it's easy for anybody to get them. Amazon Prime, they got a t-shirt, a sweater, a hoodie, a pop sock, something. Or download a song and say, hey man, I just downloaded Hog On, or I downloaded this other single. I got music on there too. So, if you support me, I'm going to support you. I mean, just point blank period. But I feel like we got to get out of the mindset of feeling like, our shit don't stink. You know what I mean? Because I'm going to support those who support me. So I'm not going to think that, oh, I'm better than you. But nah, you support me, I'm going to support you. I'm going to follow what you do and, show my support. So I know my shit don't stink. You see what I'm saying? To the point where I'm not thinking like, oh man, I'm better than you, because my shit stink like you. That's what I meant to say. Anyway, I know we are, we are the same. We're in the same boat. We're trying to support one another. We're trying to get to that next level. We got business plans. We got goals. We got ideas. So, just showing your support helps the next person get to their level, because that's how we get there. That's how we build our fan base. That's how we build our products and our services, because we support one another. You know what I mean? But it's one thing for someone to say, hey man, I support your movement. Send me some shirts. Hell no, I'm not sending you nothing for free. I had to pay to fucking get them made. So why am I going to send you something for free? So we got to stop doing that to our black businesses, to anybody that's independent, that's got something going on. Support what they got going on. Stop asking for something for free. You know what I'm saying? I mean, and to be real with it, majority of the stuff you get for free, you don't even treasure it. You don't even care. But you pay for it, oh, you're going to make sure it's taken care of. You paying for that car, you're going to make sure it's right. You paying for that sweater, that shirt that you bought, that you just had to get by Polo or whatever designer, you're going to take care of it. That bag, that purse, that whatever, them jeans, them shoes, them Jordans. You see what I'm saying? So, support others. Cherish what they do. Stop asking for handouts. Hog on.